Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Illumina Inc. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in Illumina Incorporated, start by conducting thorough research. Understand the company's business model and its role in the genomics industry. Review Illumina's recent financial statements to gauge its performance over time. Analyze key financial metrics, including revenue growth, profit margins, and earnings per share. Examine the competitive landscape to identify Illumina's position among its peers. Consider recent news and developments that may impact the company's future growth. Next, choose a brokerage platform that suits your investment needs. Ensure the platform offers access to U.S. stocks, as Illumina trades on the NASDAQ. Create an account on the brokerage platform by providing the required personal information. Complete the identity verification process, which may take a few minutes to several days. Once your account is set up, fund it with your initial investment capital. Decide on the amount you wish to invest in Illumina stock. Assess your risk tolerance to determine if Illumina fits your investment strategy. When ready to buy, search for Illumina's stock ticker symbol, which is ILMN. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Choose the type of order, market order for immediate purchase or limit order to buy at a specific price. Review your order details and confirm the transaction. After completing your purchase, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about Illumina's developments, as market conditions can change rapidly. Consider setting up alerts for significant price movements or news related to the company. Over time, reassess your investment strategy based on changes in the market or your financial goals. Keep a long-term perspective, as investing in stocks can involve fluctuations in value. Finally, stay updated on industry trends that could affect Illumina's opportunities and challenges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.